Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we are going to start our next and new topic. It is ultrasonics. In this topic we will learn about the different types of waves. What are the benefits of these waves and why we are using them, and what are the applications of these kinds of waves in our daily life. We know that sound is produced by a vibrating body. A simple pendulum also vibrates, but it does not produce any sound. The reason is that its vibrations are very slow. A human ear can hear a sound only if its frequency lies between 20 and 20,000 hertz. Okay, ultrasonics vibrations of frequencies greater than the upper limit of a audible range for humans, that is greater than about 20 kilohertz. The term sonic is applied to ultrasound wave of very high amplitude. Hypersound, sometimes called microsound, is sound wave of frequencies greater than 10-13 hertz. At such high frequencies, it is very difficult for a sound wave to propagate efficiently. Indeed, above frequency about 1.25 multiplied by 10 per 13 hertz, it is impossible for a longitudinal wave to propagate at all, even in a liquid or a solid, because the molecules of the material in which the waves are traveling cannot pass the vibration along rapidly enough. Many animals have the ability to hear sound in the human ultrasonic frequency range. Okay. Here are some examples of industrial application: structure and health monitoring, industrial process monitoring, fuel and energy, transport. These are the different applications for the industrial use. Application in research. One of the important areas of scientific study in which ultrasonics has had an enormous impact of cavitation. When water is boiled, bubbles form at the bottom of the container, rise in the water and then collapse, leading to the sound of a boiling water. The boiling process and the resulting sound has intrigued people since they were first observed, and they were the object of the considerable research and calculation by the British scientist Observation L. Lord, who applied the term cavitation to the process of a formation of a bubble. Because an ultrasonic wave can be used carefully to control cavitation, ultrasound has been a useful tool in the investigation of a process. The study of cavitation has also provided important information on intermolecular forces. Application of ultrasonic wave in a field of a medical. In medical field, ultrasonic waves are being used to diagnose and treat different elements. For diagnosis of different disease, ultrasonic waves are made to enter a human body. These waves are reflected differently by different organ tissue. Powerful ultrasonics are now being used to remove blood clot from the arteries. When we talk about ultrasound, it is actually a kind of a sound energy that a normal human ear cannot hear. The frequency of ultrasound wave is 20,000 Hz. Animals have the natural ability to use it when emitted as a wave in communal and navigational perspective. However, humans use ultrasound as well, but not without technical assistance, and it is used in many industrial and medical purposes. So let's start with the uses of ultrasound in daily life. The first one use is field of communication. Few animals such as bats and frogs have the ability to use ultrasound to communicate with each other. Bats emit high-pitched sound of short wavelength in order to navigate. These waves hit the surrounding and bounce back, allowing bats to get an idea about the surrounding. These bats communicate with each other with ease thanks to ultrasound waves. Ultrasonic cleaning. One of the many applications of ultrasonic sound wave is ultrasonic cleaning. It is used to get rid of impurity from certain devices that are absorbed in solutions. Materials like glass, metals can be cleaned using it. And in addition to that, ultrasonic wave can be used to remove grease, oil, and dirt. Ultrasonic sound waves are also used in industries in order to get rid of chips and oil from machinery and other industrial equipments. It is also used to get rid of sludge from the operators of aircraft and automobiles. Ultrasonic welding. Ultrasonic sound waves are also used for the purpose of welding plastic. High-frequency ultrasonic vibrations are used to weld a couple of parts of plastic. However, this welding process is very well programmed and has time and frequency already programmed into the welding machine, and computer carry out each and every step of the welding process. There are some ultrasonics machines: ultrasonic cleaner, ultrasonic processor. When we talk about ultrasound, it is actually a kind of a sound. We know that sound is produced by a vibrating body. A simple pendulum also vibrates, but it does not produce any sound. The reason is that its vibrations are very slow. A human ear can hear a sound only if its frequency lies between 20 and 20,000 Hz. Okay, ultrasonics vibrations of